Hi there, it's time this year to get the winter veg ready in the hydroponic garden. So what we're going to do to plant these veg is first of all to remove all the soil. And the easiest way I've found is to dry the plants out just for a couple of days before you start planting, because you can actually then shake off the soil. But these unfortunately got a little bit wet, so what I'm doing is I'll put them into some water, and I'm just teasing the roots out in the water. What's brilliant about this is that when we've finished taking the soil off the plant, we can then put the water and the soil back into the garden, so there's no wastage. So here we are. So we've got the little root. This is a curly kale, and we take as much soil off as we can, and then get your plant pot. This is the easiest gardening ever in the world. To get plant pot, we've already put a little hole in the bottom for you. So we pop the plant, and because the root's wet, it's quite easy to go in. Hold it into the centre, and then the dirty bit, we just get some clay balls, which we provide with the kit, as we do with the pots. And we pop the clay balls in around about 3/4 of the way round. And what the stones do, the clay balls, is just to hold the plant in place while they're growing. So there we are, and ready to go into the HydroVeg kit. So that's the easiest gardening you're going to ever have to do with a hydroponic garden and the HydroVeg kit.